Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the new free assets from February 11th, 10 a.m. all the way until February 25th, which is 2 Tuesdays from now. And we're going to be going over the Valley of Guldur, Post-apocalyptic urban city, and the Ninja input, which is actually I'm very glad the Ninja input has been chosen to be free for the 2 weeks, not month anymore. So I'll go ahead and import those into a new 5.5.3 project and see you there in just a second. So the first one I want to go over is the Valley of Guldur. This kind of looks like something out of Skyrim or Lord of the Rings in my opinion. And you can see that there are some really nice high quality looking meshes. And along with some good sky and foliage, I do like the volumetric fog going on, along with the nice looking clouds. And let's just go ahead and get inside, take a view of everything. I actually haven't seen what any of this looks like. Oh, wow. Very dark, mysterious lighting. Kind of looks like a roller coaster. Never mind. Um, Whoever died has some really big heads. These fires are really bright red. Holy crap. Oh, nice. This looks nice. I like the branches on the walls. Gives it a really old look. I'm not sure what these metal things are. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Some cool chains dangling off the top here. What's at the bottom of the chain? The chain is broken. There's some really tall structures that are broken, empty holes and bricks inside. And yeah, overall pretty cool. Looks pretty good if you're making some kind of realistic open world type game in my opinion. And there are some good looking foliage and this does look pretty nice. And yeah, with that, let's go ahead and check out the next asset. This is the Post-apocalyptic urban city by Bameshi Studios. Overall, really nice looking asset. I really do like how this looks. Pretty cool layout. I could actually see making some kind of like warehouse simulator or maybe even some type of horror game with this. This does look really nice overall. I am loving how this looks. Just a ton of little props that you can piece together. Very modular. I like these shipping boxes. They look they look really real. And yeah, very hyper realistic in my opinion. I feel like this alley could be really scary looking at night. Um, a really big random plant just growing like crazy without any sunlight. Nice. And yeah, let's check out their nighttime map. And the nighttime map is pretty much just the same thing, just at night, of course. You can see that the windows are on in some of these buildings. Uh, a bit more of a creepier vibe, in my opinion. I guess it's pretty lit up, so it's not that creepy, but overall, very nice assets. You can see how everything is separated. Everything's very modular, and yeah, really nice looking asset. There's some giant couches here that I never noticed. Lots of trash bags, a giant TV screen, a ladder, lots of background buildings, garage door entrances, fences, a refrigerator, I think. Yeah. Very hyper realistic. I like these little stickers, little details on the side. And also, yeah, this looks super realistic. Everything except for this paper, but I mean that's fine. It's kind of whatever. Very hyper realistically. I am loving how this pack is. This looks pretty game ready, as in you could probably make a really nice looking game with this. Lots of tools, a little flashlight, a really big can, 17 ounces. I think cans here are around 12 ounces. So that's a really fat can. Oh, wow. A little measuring tool. grass, some plants and foliage. And yeah, I really do like how these look. These look super nice. And now let's go over Ninja Input. So Ninja Input is one of the plugins I use in every single project that I work with. It is a data-oriented configuration of your input management system. Really useful for multiplayer and just making things a lot easier. So as you can see down here, there is quite a lot of documentation that we can go over. As well as on my channel, I've already gone over how to set up the Ninja Input by Ninja Bear Studios in Unreal Engine 5. You can go ahead and check this out. I'll leave the link in the description below. So some of the configuration with Ninja Input Handler is inspired by Lyra, and it does make things a lot easier. So for example, it's using these tags in your data input handlers that you can set up. And if you head over to their documentation, they have a full guide on how to set it up step by step, whether you're using C++ or Blueprints. For example, it'll show you a lot of the concepts, how the input handlers and input managers work, as well as the architecture of it. So there's a lot of accessing the ability system component and so on, how to activate your abilities and all that. And you can check out my tutorial on how to set it up in the description below. And yeah, those are pretty much the free assets for the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.